So Chris here has a box of National Treasures baseball and a free pack. Got one last night. It did pretty good. Let's see what's in here. Leody Taveras, Mickey Moniak, Tim Lynch, and there's that thing. Pull some Yankees. I hope so. Hope like Babe Ruth Yankee. Yankees. Yeah, Dansby's Dansby's all right, but like he had a rough go of it last year, man. Seeing how he was on my fast team, and it didn't go so well. All right, let's see. I will not look at the bottom card. That's usually the booklet. Or yeah, it's a booklet. All right, we're gonna start with a Nolan James Arenado, 92.99 for the Rockies. Sean is gone. Very cool hit. I know our buddy Charles will love this. 205, the Mad Dog. Great patch timeline for Atlanta. Greg Maddux. Yeah, Atlanta did have a rough go of it last year. Jim Gilliam, 33 of 99. Bat Relic with Brooklyn. A Renato Nunez patch auto for Oakland, 62 of 99. Bit of a smudge on the auto, but a good patch right there for Oakland. A little more Oakland love. How about Ricky Henderson? And it just so happens to be 24 of 49, his jersey number. Very nice. That's a glove, I think. It looks leather, so yeah, I like to be a batting glove or something. Cool hit. How about Gar, Edgar Martinez, 36 of 49 for Seattle. Notable nicknames. He should be in the Hall of Fame. He's not yet, but he will get there next year. He's close enough. He'll get in. Very nice. A Derek Fisher rookie patch auto, 72 of 99. Great patch right there. A used piece of gum, indeed. And lastly, we have a Legends book of Cal Ripken Jr. Bat Relic jersey, 3,008, 184 hits, 22.99. There you go, Chris. I caught it. That's all yours. I'll send this back in your box. Because I don't know if you want the box or not. So your stuff's in there. So there it is. There's your break. Cool box right there. You're doing all right. So, that's it for this. I don't have any other personal breaks. I do have a lot to ship out, so I'm probably just gonna kill it. I'd love to keep opening stuff, but I got a lot to ship out, and I gotta get on that. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I'll be here. I don't know. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Adios.